In this video, I'm going to show you how to style and design options in Squarespace 7.1 step by step so you can customize your site's fonts, colors, and animations with confidence. If you've ever wanted your Squarespace website to look more polished, more branded, and more professional, this guide will walk you through the exact settings you need. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once your site preview loads, look to the top left corner and click Edit. This will place you into editing mode, where you can begin adjusting the design of your site. Now, to access the main design controls, look to the top right corner and click the paintbrush icon. This opens the Site Styles sidebar on the right side of your screen. This is where Squarespace 7.1 keeps the core styling options for your website, including fonts, colors, and animation settings. Let's start with fonts. In the Site Styles panel, click Fonts. From here, you have a few different ways to customize the typography on your site. If you want to change all of your fonts at once, click Switch Font Pack. This is the fastest way to give your entire website a new overall look and feel, especially if you want everything to match a brand style. If you want more control, you can tweak individual text styles instead. Click Headings if you want to change the look of your titles and section headers. Click Paragraphs if you want to adjust the body text that appears in your pages and blog content. Click Buttons if you want your call to action buttons to stand out more. And if you want to fine-tune other text-related elements, click Miscellaneous. One of the most useful font controls in Squarespace 7.1 is the base size slider. This lets you scale your text up or down globally without having to manually edit every single text block. If your website feels too small or too crowded, increase the base size slightly. If your text feels too large, pull it down a bit until it looks balanced. This is a great way to improve readability across your entire site. Next, let's move on to colors. In the Site Styles panel, click Colors. This section controls the overall color system for your Squarespace website. If you want to change your main brand colors, click Edit Palette. From here, you can choose one of the preset palettes or enter your own hex codes for a more custom look. This is especially helpful if you already have brand colors you want to match exactly. If you want to edit a specific section theme, Squarespace 7.1 gives you even more flexibility. Scroll down through the color themes until you find the one you want to change. For example, if you have a dark section and you want the text to be brighter and easier to read, click the pencil icon next to that color theme. Then you can adjust the colors for that specific style without affecting the rest of the site. This is a smart way to create visual contrast and keep different sections consistent. Now let's look at animations. Back in the Site Styles panel, click Animations. This is where you can choose how elements appear as visitors scroll through your site. You can select a style like fade, scale, or slide, depending on the type of motion you want. If you want a softer, cleaner effect, fade is usually a good option. If you want something a little more dynamic, you can try scale or slide. Below the animation style options, you'll also see a speed slider. This lets you control how quickly the animation plays. A slower speed can feel smooth and elegant, while a faster speed can feel more energetic. The key is to choose a setting that matches your website's brand and doesn't distract from the content. As you make changes, always preview your site so you can see how the fonts, colors, and animations work together. Small design adjustments can make a huge difference in how professional your site feels. If your text is too bold, your colors are too harsh, or your animations feel too busy, simplify things until the site feels clean and easy to navigate. So to recap, if you want to style and design options in Squarespace 7.1, you start by opening your site in edit mode, then use the paintbrush icon to access site styles. From there, you can customize fonts, adjust colors, and fine-tune animations to create a website that looks more polished and on brand. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.